Hey everybody, it's Neil here at Creator Cafe, and I realized that I hadn't posted anything on my podcast for a year. Yes, I know, it's disgraceful. And I looked through my Substack list, which is effectively where I've got my podcast hosted now, and I realized that a lot of the previous podcasts that I did with Brian weren't being synced anymore. So I'm not starting again. I'm keeping with the same Creator Cafe podcast and whatever episodes are left in my Substack RSS feed. But I just wanted to say hello, I'm back. And today is Monday, the 29th of September. And I thought it's high time to start doing some podcasts again and get this stuff recorded. I like audio. It doesn't always have to be a video podcast. So this is purely going to be an audio version of me rambling about stuff, and sometimes we may have a guest and co-host and things like that, but I just thought it would be a good idea to, just let everybody know what's been happening. And I hadn't realized things had been syncing, and I hadn't done an audio podcast for a while. So shame on me, but there you go. That's what happens when you get busy and doing other things. So I'm back. Let me know in the comments if you think this is a good idea. I'm going to try and do semi-regular podcasts, maybe on a weekly basis. It might just be one specific topic around a tool that I've been playing with this week that I'm finding amazing, or something like that. So anyway, thanks for sticking with me if you're still out there in Radio Land, and I'll see you and speak to you very soon.